are discussing about the basic program in our Python and how to use print function to print specified messages. And this is our team LionoEdu for you to build your skills from the scratch. It doesn't need you to know well about Python. We will help you to build your skill from the basic. And today we are discussing about how to print in Python with examples. First of all, I'll give you a basic idea of what is print function. The print function prints specified message to a screen or other standard output device. The message can be string or any other object. And here it is the syntax how to print those elements, and this image shows how the output is returned from the given syntax. Today we are doing some basic examples using print function. To print welcome to LionoEdu, use the print function. Here is the code print welcome to LionoEdu. There are some inverted comma and brackets. You can't see the inverted comma and brackets in the output. That's why it is a syntax. It is the code to be written to print welcome to LionoEdu. Okay, and it is the visual of PyCharm, and PyCharm is an IDE used in computer programming, specifically for Python language. It helps you a lot in coding, and it is the example of printing 5 countries in 5 lines using print function. Print USA, print Canada, print Germany as follows. It is the syntax of code to print certain strings, so anything like that printed in new line, right? And if we use a new print function, it will print in new line. This is the code to print, and this is the visual in PyCharm, and we can look what is next. This is the example to print the blank lines. Let us print 8 blank lines. You can type print 8 into star /n. /n specifically means to print in new line. We are familiar with /n with any other coding platform, and it is the two way to print 8 blank lines. First of print 8 into star n, or print 8 times /n, and here it is a small example how it works. Print welcome to LionoEdu, print 8 into /n, and print into welcome to LionoEdu one more time, and the output shows first of all welcome to LionoEdu and 8 blank space and welcome to LionoEdu. Okay, one /n means one blank space, and other /n means one more blank lines, and 8 /n means 8 blank lines. And thank you guys, thank you to be here.